Okay, so we're gonna using Word, Microsoft Word, no PowerPoint. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a animation in PowerPoint. It's so easy. Let's load first the PowerPoint. So in Windows 8, look, Winver. But I only removed the like taskbar in here. So I don't like it when I'm scrolling. It's disturbing me, and the full start menu here. So here, if you open your PowerPoint 2016, you're gonna see this. We're gonna click the blank presentation. I have a tutorial that we're gonna use templates. So if you are in here, you're gonna need to click to add title, click to add subtitles. So if I type Timothy Canosa, then with the subtitle I am a YouTuber. So if you want to add designs, click on the designs. Then I'll add this. So we're gonna add this one. If you add, okay, we're gonna use plain because we are only in tutorial mode. Because I said that I'll gonna put video that we use designs. The slideshow is gonna be going here. It has none. So this is the transition of the page, not the text like that. If we use orbit, oops, I'm sorry, not like that. It's like this, like fracture, or like this, wind, curtains, drape, fall over, flash, cover, then many more. Then in animations, you can animate this, like you want to make up like a credit. This is the basics. Go, if you want more, go to more entrance effect. I think we have some here. Credits. You're gonna see this if you use credit. Then click it. Oops. Go in there. Oops, I'm sorry, why did it work? So credits on click. Let's lower it. Let's make it 1 second. Let's run it. Just like that. So, and I'm a YouTuber. We're gonna use emphasis effect. Like a overview. No, blank. You can call it. Okay, so if you want it, check it. It'll get a blank.